Yes. So, Ship, in previous class we have seen just to recap what all we have configured. So we have created company code, created company assigned to company
Yes.
code. We had clear variant assigned to our company code. We had posting key variants. We have opened and closed certain
Yes.
posting periods for our company code. But then we have uh, we had fiscal year variant, posting period variant, uh, key status groups. Yeah, we have created that, and also we have seen the tax procedure. So we have set the tax procedure. We have assigned it to a country, and then created a tax code.
Yes.
So then also we have created a couple of
GL accounts.
real accounts. Okay. Now we will see document types. So
Yes.
document types. I think we have gone through this slide, right?
Which one? The document types?
The document types, the different
Yeah.
types of
Yeah.
document types, and then
Yes. Yes. Yes.
yeah. So then, we'll go on to the configuration part. So the configuration, so we'll see what are document, like say the document types are created or what are the standard document types that are existing. Okay. Then we see what are the number ranges that is there that are there for our document types. So we go yesterday. So here different document types are available. So we have this with financial accounting global settings, document document types, different document types for entry mode. So if you execute this one, okay,
Uh,
so you have all the list of documents.
yeah. Now I'm able to see. Sorry. Now I'm able to see that up the screen.
So here you see all the list of all the document types that are there. So we have all 53 document types. So and all these are SAP is standard and SAP delivered. So you can create your own document types. So you see if you say that each document has its own purpose or has its own uses. So here if you see A is for asset posting, A is for account document. Then we have DR is customer invoice, these are these customer payment. Okay. So like CA is customer invoice, CP is customer payment. So like that. So if you select any of these documents, you go to see the details. This is the document type. This is the number range. So what is the number range that is assigned to it? So 01 number range is assigned to it. We'll see what are the number ranges for 01. Then we have US document type. What is the US document? That means if a document is posted with document type AB, if you are reversing that particular document type. So what is the document type we should take? So that will be the reverse document type. So type of account types are open. So that means, so using this document type, to which all account types can you post? So can you post to customers, can you post to customers, vendors, materials and GL account. So you can select so which type of account you can post. So since this is an accounting document, general account document, you have all. If you specific customer invoice or vendor invoice, you will have only customers as or only vendors, and then GL account. Okay. So these are the main things. And here you have listed the daily document entry. So we have reference number and document header text. These two fields are at the document header. Okay. So then you have exchange rate types for foreign currency document. So what is exchange rate type? That this document has to see or take. So exchange rate type is like you have different exchange rate types. What is the buying exchange like types is different types of types, that is bank buying rate or bank selling rate or average rate or some other exchange rate. So you have all these exchange rate types. So and this can be taken like you already have at the company level. So if you want to take like assign them at the document type level also, you can do that here. So you can specify what is exchange rate type. So within each exchange rate type, you specify the exchange rate. So we will be telling which rate you have to take based on exchange rate type. So here you specify the exchange rate type. So and also the control data, if you see it has intercompany posting. That is, if you are posting from one company to other company, can use this document. So this is the then enter trading partners. Okay. So you have net document type, customer vendor check. So that means whether you have customer or vendor, and native postings permitted. So what is native postings means? So whenever you make a reversal, if you debit any account, that if it is wrong or if it has to be cancelled or reversed, you reverse this particular entry. So whenever you debit an account, to reverse it, you have to create an account. So you have an entry in debit as well as credit.
Okay.
But the balance would be 0. If you allow negative postings means negative postings, what will happen is instead of showing in the credit column, it will show in the debit column only, debit column with minus value. That is, you already have a debit of 1000, and now you have a credit of 1000. That is, you are basically reversing this document. So in normal scenarios, it will show as debit 1000, credit 1000, and balance 0. If you select this negative postings permitted, then you do the postings. Then what will happen is you have debit 1000, credit 1000 also. It will be credit 1000, but it will, since it is a reversal of a debit, it is shown on the debit side with negative figure, negative value as a negative value. So our total on the debit side will become 0.
Okay.
So this is what is negative postings permitted.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, do you have any questions?
What is this net document type? Control it. Yes.
Yes. So document posted net, that is, if you select this indicator to have the system automatically detect cash receipts from vendor invoices that are posted in this document. So if you have vendor invoice and so if that particular vendor based on the payment.
Yeah, sorry, it's okay. Sorry, someone was at the door. It's okay.
So based on the vendor invoice, like if you have cash discount that is to be taken based on the payment terms, then if you take a net invoice, system will automatically uh, get cash discounts from invoices. So let's say you are posting invoice through this particular document type and you have selected net post net, net postings or document net whatever net document type. So what it happens, generally what we have to do is whenever there is a cash discount, so you will have the cash discount taken only at the time when you are paying your vendor and if you are paying within time. Okay. So this particular document, net document type is selected, and if you are posting the invoice using this particular document type, so this particular what it will do is it will just uh, what is it? It will just calculate the cash discounts and post the net invoice only net value of the vendor irrespective of when you are paying it. So at the time of invoice only, your value will be taken as net of cash discounts. So, and you have customer and vendor check, please.
Yes, so it will, for the posting purposes, it will check. And it's okay, reference number is okay. It's joint venture.
So if you take this customer, pardon?
Joint venture.
No. You have joint venture as a sub-module, like other module, joint venture accounting. So if you check that particular box, then only you will be able to use in that.
Okay.
So joint venture accounting. So you have to select what is the debit history indicator or receiver indicator credit to use this in to use this document type in the joint venture accounting. So batching only is you are using a BDC, that is batch input program, or and a batch input will be created, and the posting will happen in the background or through a automated process. So in such cases, like if you want to use this document type only in such batch input cases, then you will select this. If you don't select this, it can be used for normal all like or front-end entry also. So we don't use check this out often. So important fields here is account type allowed. So based on this account type allowed, you can what are the account types that you can post, and you have reference number and document header text. These two fields are at the document header, so you will see like you can these can be made required. So at here only. Okay. So if you select customer or vendor check, what will happen is at the time of posting, you can only enter one vendor or one customer in this particular document type. You cannot have multiple vendors or multiple customers. So if you want to control that, you will make it. You will create the check. You will make the checkbox. Now this is the document type. So you can always create additional document type. Any document type. So to create either you create from the new entries here at the top. Okay, and you select and you have the copy as function. Okay, now it has been copied. So I change the description.
There's a relief. There is a there is about 20-second gap here. So, number range.
So now
Yeah.
you can change it. Then I have saved it. So, coming to the number ranges, you normally can go to number ranges from either from here. So, if you see the number range, we have a number range 0 to. Like this, for each of document type, we have given a different number range. And we 53. So, now if I see what actually the number range is of 53, I click on number range information. Okay. So these number ranges are based on company code. So I like 01. So here I use the company code, and so these are the number range intervals that you can see. And this one is for display. This one is know the status, that means what is the current number that is being used. And this one is the change intervals. I will see first go and do the display part of it. So there are no number ranges. So we have to create the number ranges. So that's if we see, I see for N199, which we have done with popping function. So we display.
It didn't copy. It showed it didn't go to copy the number ranges.
So here we have, since we have copied from other company code and we asked to copy the number ranges. So we have the option as well as so it has copied. So then this number ranges is based on the here. If you see 01, which you have seen, we have 01 as our number range in our document type. So and this is for then we will here we have
Did they have the annual pattern?
What?
They have the annual year.
Yeah, these are the year on year you will have the you will number ranges. That means you not just carry for year. So it's year on year. So this is from 2 years. So till 1992 you can use this number range. So till 93 you can use this number. This is 1999. So from 94 to 1999 this is the number range. So like this, for each year we see what is the number range. So if, let's say for 2012 I have a certain number range. Okay, this is exhausted. So what I have to do is for the 2012 I have give one more number range and with whatever the number range that is 3. So I will see how here we will see how to change intervals or how to add intervals. So if you see if there is a number range, 5 is for 9999. That is for, this is not for year dependent, you have the same number range for all the years, still 999. So for this I will create for the current year. So to create a number ranges, you have to click on insert intervals. Then you give the number 05, give the year 2005, then from number. So from number you can give only the numbers that are not already used. So you cannot have the overlapping numbers in here in the same year. Okay. So I give I have added for 2012. So I have added the number. Okay, I say. So likewise, I have to add for each and every number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the number range, and these you assign it to the 04, 05, 06, 07, 10, 11, 50. So these are the numbers that you assign it in your document type. Again, these numbers of the corresponding number range, okay, and which are available for each of the financial year. So now I will use the copy function for annual 01 we don't have the number ranges, so we use the I try to copy. So basically what we have to do is we have to actually manually go and create each and every number. So if you once we do or add any one of the intervals number range here, we basically cannot copy from the other other company code or other year. So if you copy it basically overwrites. So I currently I do a copy from just copy. You can see now you have all the just copied all the values what were there for the computer 1000. So you have one. So you have to okay. So for 2012 you have all the values for all the number ranges. If at all if there are any some missing, then we can come here and again do the add the number ranges. So here sorry, so this document text we have 53 as a number range. So there would be some number ranges or against that 53. So that is the number range actually there. Again, I just forgot to show you one thing. So here, this is the from number and to number.
Yes.
And you have the current number. Current number is what is the current number that is already posted. If I posted 10 numbers here, it will be 10. So that is the current number of the.
It's auto increment numbers. So since there are nothing is there, that's shown 0.
Yeah, yes. So last column is external. So this particular the number ending is external number range or internal. So if I select this box, it is an external number range. That means I have to give the numbers. So that means I have to give the numbers when I am posting the documents. Okay. So also I have to give within the same number range that is there. So if it is not checked with the internal number range, so system will give the numbers in sequentially. So it will not skip. Okay. This is document text. Okay, this shares the document text, and you can let's go to the number ranges directly from here. So this is number range. So here you can come directly instead of there. From document types also you can go. You can come directly from this navigational line. Next one is the posting keys. We don't do anything, just I will show what are the posting keys. Define posting keys, we define the posting keys here. So this posting keys are basically specifying whether it is a debit line item or a credit line item, and also you specify to which account type that you are posting. These are the standard posting keys. These are all the standard posting keys. If at all if you want to create any posting keys, you can here. So like there won't be any very rare case that you will have to create a posting keys. Then we have tolerance groups. But we have seen, we have discussed of tolerance group, that is tolerance group for employees, which controls the what is the number of like what is the amount that he can post, what is the discount that he can actually give. So at the same time, uh, we have the tolerance for GL accounts or like that. So we give the tolerance group for employees here. So this is here for company code. So if you see there is a blank tolerance group, that means if you don't assign like so blank tolerance group, that means even if you don't assign it to your like your user ID, it generally works. So for our company code, we create this will be for each company code. So NY01 for company code. So account per document. What is the amount that I can post per document? Let me give 100. So for open item 100. And so I can post only 100 in a particular document and open item of an amount of 100. And then payment depends. So whether I can pay more than what actually the invoice is, or whether I can receive the more than what actually the invoice is.
Okay.
So if I can receive, what is the limit on that? So they, let's say if the invoice, so percentage. So it will be like $10 or 1%, whichever is less.
Okay.
So let's say so my group is NY01. So this is the limit. Now I do one more tolerance group. As blank with tolerance group name as blank. Like you know, add if you see, they have not created for NY90 and NY99. Because once we copied them from company code, it also created the blank tolerance group for this two company code.
Okay.
Now you have to assign this to user.
Okay.
So here, since it is blank, we need not assign. So if I want to assign, I have to take my user ID. So yes, suppose here. So I will give my user ID and blank, the tolerance group. Generally, we create a blank tolerance group. So that is in general, for instance, you have one blank tolerance group, and you can just send it to your. So it will be like blank. So you need not have an assignment for that. That you just have a username and then make it blank. So to show how actually it works, I will just use my tolerance group as NY01. And so as per this tolerance, I can post an amount of only $100. Okay. So now I go and do a document. So before document entry, I just check what are the GL accounts that we have created. So I create one account. So this is the GL account screen, and if you want to create with reference. So we will be creating with reference, like you click on template, you will get this. So you will give the GL account from where you want to create and the company code and enter. So basically all the details are copied. Then you can change the so since both are of the same group, I need not have changed any one of it. So I don't change this nor any in this. Then now I create one more GL account for cash and bank. So I have copied from the liabilities account. I am changing the group also, and this is basically a cash account or remaining cash. So now I have created a equity and cash account. Now I will try to make. I will make it posting for like let's say our shareholders are doing in the cash as part of the trade capital. So we will be getting cash and in the trade capital account. So you do the posting from here. Or you do the website 02. So this one is website 02 is old or your screen will be different and not that you can is very different. Like it all happens. Same. So I'll post one document with the and one document like this. So this part you see on the top right, okay, basic data and details. These are the document headers. Okay, this is the document header, and these items in the bottom are called the line items. Okay.
Sorry, I think I'm on the old screen. Okay, yeah. So understood. Document header in the bottom. Yeah, perfectly.
So in the document header, you have document date, portion date, reference, document header text, cross company number, and company code. So document date is the date on which you receive the document, or document date is the date on the document. So you receive an invoice or you receive some, you receive, let's say you receive an invoice or expedition invoice. On that particular invoice, you will be having a date. Like actually today it's 18th, okay, 18th of October. So, but you have date on the document as 15th or 16th. So that will be your document date. Posting date is you are posting today. So you current date will be your posting date. So posting date is the date on which you are posting it into the system. Document date is the date on like document date is the date
which is on the
on
document.
the
Yeah. On the physical copy or on which the maybe some
no,
the
or
transaction was
basically
made. Yeah.
yeah, or basically document date is the date on which this particular transaction has happened.
Yeah.
So here in this reference you will specify any text reference.
One query.
This is basically a reference.
For for SAP system is a posting date which has a higher significance over the document date.
Pardon?
See
Can
for
you repeat the question?
yeah for SAP typically for period closure and other thing they take this posting date into account rather than the document date.
Yes, yes. Posting date is what is more important. So that will be taken. All your financial statements or that will be taken on your posting date. Okay. So we have reference is a text reference field and also document
It's
header.
a document number something which typically maybe a
Yeah, you can have what is on the physical document
sure.
like this.
And the cross reference. Yeah.
Yeah. So document header text is also like something which you have like short description of this. Let's say share cash from stakeholder, something like that. So this one is cross company code number. If you are using intercompany transaction, then you give this. Otherwise, you don't. So here is the line item part. Debit shareholder share capital. Sorry. Debit so this is the cash account we are debiting. Here we don't have the posting this like the we are saying it as debit or credit. So by default system has given debit or credit, but that in background debit has a posting key, credit has a posting key, system has assigned to it. Okay, so I select debit. That's all. That's all.
Where do we make currency adjustment? It's an amount in the document. Does it talk about currency, CURL?
COD is currency. So amount in document currency. So our
Oh,
document
the
currency
currency
is
is there.
US
Okay,
dollar.
got it. Sorry. With the next to it is the currency, so you can.
So you see, that's it. You may only post documents up to 100. So
Okay.
this is as per my tolerance loop. So I just change this to 100. So business area, you have to take the business area. Then text. So this, like if you get this indication, that means this particular field is required. So I go back. So here I give my other line item. So if you see here we have total debits 100, credits is 0. Value, like this means the total of the credit and total of credit amount, debit amount and credit amount. So here we have this is it. So as long as these two items are equal, so like total debits equal to total credits, you will not be able to put it off. Okay. So we have to give I am just going. and my text is also required, so I will give the text also. So I am coming back to the text field. This is the text field. Once I can actually simulate the document. Even after this, if I had any errors, it will show when I simulate the document how it actually goes. Like that. Then I can document close. So this document is posted in the company code NY01. This is the document number. So this is P50 is the transaction where I have posted the document. So if I want to display the document, okay, in document, this is display. And this is change. So if I go in the change document, I cannot change everything. I can only change the assignment number or the text. Okay, I cannot change the document name. I cannot change the GL account. I cannot change the amount which is already posted. Okay. So if I go to FB02, change mode, give the document number, company code, and fiscal year. If there is only one document, now it will pick up. If there are multiple documents, if you are posted in 2 different or 3 different fiscal years, then you have to give fiscal year also. So this is the document. So here, so I can change only the assignment number and text. And add some text. And this is the icon which says display header document. So it will show what is the header of this document. In this header, you have entered by and entry date. Who has entered and who has when it has entered, on what date it has entered and what time it has entered. If there is any change, our change on also will be updated. So I just only the fields which have changed into white, those fields only you can change. Otherwise, you cannot change. So basically, the reference key, header text, assignment number, and the text fields only you can change. Okay. And this one is for display. So you cannot change anything here. So if you see in this particular document, so we have 40 and 50. These are the posting keys that we are talking about.
Yes.
40 means debit and 50 is credit.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. So while posting, we have not given 40 and 50, but we have given debit and credit. That's why this FB50 transaction code is user friendly. These are remember the posting keys, and you can all enter the values and once.
FB02. Okay, and that was FB.
So this one is FB50 is for entering the PL documents.
Yeah, 50L is for ledger group. Oh yeah, okay.
Ledger group. So FB02 is for change the documents, and FB03 is for display the documents.
Okay.
So instead of FB50, we can use F-02. So now I will post one more document in F-02 to just only see what are the difference. But before that, I will go back and change my tolerance group.
Okay.
So I will remove one give it as blank, so that I can post the background values. I am coming back to my screen. Empty screen. I'm
about to say posting and general posting. Yeah, on the screen where there is a posting and general posting. The screen has not changed.
Yeah, so now I have in enter GL account posting.
Yeah, the blank one.
Yeah. So now the screen has changed, right? So in the this is the point, documents. These are all the header document header, and this is the line item. So here if you see, so by default the posting date will be the current date. So system current date is in 2009, but it is given the 2009. Okay. So whatever the system current date we were posting it by default. So this is the currency of your company, so the normal currency. If you are doing it other currency, you change the currency here. Okay. Document number, so here is the document number. You won't give the document number because this is the external number. If it is an internal number, then you have to. It is internal number. If it is an external number, you will type in document number here. So debit. So what is debit? So you give the what is the GL account. So then I give enter. So it gives the money message. These are in future. I give account. You also here. Then you enter the next line item. So this one line item, and next you enter the next line item. So what is the next line item? So whether it is debit or credit. Yes, I am going to credit. Then you have the state at left. Okay, then enter. So now if you see the difference, previously we were giving all, instead of posting this, we were giving the debit, and we just give it in an easy and Excel format. In one line we are giving all the details. So, and also we have everything, maybe 5 to 6 items can be entered in the same GL account, same state. But here in this particular transaction code, you have to enter line item by line item, yes. And you have to enter by each credit. Okay. At the same time, then you have the details for the second line item. Here I can give star. That means whatever is the value of all the line items, all the other line items, it added and multiplied and used with here. Okay. If I give plus sign in the text column, it copies the text of the other line item. Once I give it here and press enter, the amount on the text column is copied. You got this?
Sorry, could you repeat? If I put star in the amount, yeah.
Star in amount column. So when if they give the star in amount column, so other than this, what are all the line items that are there, and what is the value of all the net value of all the line items? It will calculate and put that value in here.
Oh, that's good.
So it's like a balancing amount. Okay. And if you use the text column as a plus, so it will copy the line item line item text from the other line item.
Other entries, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Then I can simulate this one document. Yeah. So this is the entry. So here at this point, if I want to change the amount, I can change the amount.
It will, then the tolerance group thing will keep on acting. Is that so?
Yeah, yeah. So or else I can just document them. Okay. The sticker number has been implemented by also this post. Now if we go to the, I am going to other screen, configuration screen. If I go to member ranges, and I go to the intervals, you see this part. For 01, 2001, current number is this one. So this is the last document that is posted. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Now coming back to our transaction scheme. So now if you see document. Now we have posted some documents in the GL accounts. Now you see the GL accounts, how it looks. So this is the transaction that shows you the balances, and this is the transaction that shows you the line items. If I give the balances here, FHGL B03 the balance, I give to GL account. So company code and execute. Yes. So this is the debit, this is the credit, balance and cumulative balance. So this is balance for the period and cumulative balance is balance for the year. So this is period. So we have posted in one period and it is a credit in share capital account. And balance in so this is balance. So if you want to see the line items, this is just a balance.
Mm-hmm.
You can go from here down to here, it will show you what are the line items of this 10,000. So what are the documents that are posted in the 10,100. These are the line items. One document is 100 and another document is 10,000. So again, you want to see the document, select this one and click on display document.
I think cumulative balance 10,000 negative.
Sorry?
It's showing as 10,100 negative cumulative.
This is the share capital account.
Oh, okay, it will always have a debit balance. Okay.
It's a credit, right? It's a share capital will have a credit balance. So the negative sign shows that it is a credit.
Yeah.
So if I go back, so this is the balance, display balance transaction where you can see period wise debit and credit balance and then the cumulative balance. And from here also you can go for the line items or you have one more transaction code to see the line items. FHGL03 is for line items. You give the line items and see open items to open a period. So till what date you want to give. So I want to give this is the line item. So it's basically the same that we have to see, the only the layout is different. If you want to change the layout, like if you want to put the text here or filling document there, you can do it from here. So the icon which you see here is a change layout icon. Then you can bring all the features which are on the right hand side or the hidden. If you want to bring it to left hand side, that becomes display. If you don't want anything here, so let's say I want to move that segment and profit center or cleaning document, profit center to right hand side. That means I will not have those fields and then do the copy. So my layout has changed. So there are some standard layouts. You can use this layout. If I want to save this layout, I can save this layout into class. So whenever I want this, I can select this one. Okay. So I need not change the columns always. So once I change the columns, fix the columns, I save this layout. So whenever I come to this transaction, I pull up this layout, so I will get the details as I require. Is it clear, sir?
Yeah.
So, okay. Now we see what, uh, now that we have posted a document. So now we have posted a document, and let's say the amount value, the value of amount is wrong, or we want to change the document. So it is not possible to change the posted document, or it is not possible to delete a particular document once it is posted. Only option for you is to make a reversal.
Okay.
You have to make that particular document. Okay. So here you do the reversal of the document. So here reverse FB08 is the individual reversal. That means I can reverse each document individually. So I give the document number and I give the reversal reason. So if I select display before reversal, it shows me the document. What is the document it's going to reverse? Okay, this is the document it's going to reverse.
Sorry, I'm on the old screen.
Huh?
I'm on the old screen. Just give me a minute. I'm just on the screen. Yeah. Now I'm on the reverse document edit. Yes, sir. You can. No, it has come. Yeah, it has come properly now.
Okay. Yeah. So reverse document header data, you give the document number, company code, and fiscal year, and give the reversal reason. So you give the display reversal, display before reversal, it shows the about the document that it has to reverse. Okay, then you can confirm and come back. Once you are okay with it, you select save or post.
We can change the posting
One
date.
more document. Pardon?
We can change the posting date.
We can change the posting date also. So if you give the posting date here, it will be reversed on that particular date. Otherwise, it will be reversed on the same date on which the original document is posted. Is it clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello.
So regarding this posting date, is it clear? So if I give in this
Yes,
particular
yes.
column,
Yeah.
so you take that posting date and it will post the reversal document on the date. Otherwise, it will post on the same date on which the original document is posted. So once you've done that, you can just click the save button. The document is posted. The document is posted.
Okay. Modified.
I go back and see the document display. $100 of USD, like if you see the share capital is debited now on the main cash is credited. If you go and see the account, let's say for account balance, we have credit of 10,100 and debit of 100. Analysis.
Yep.
Okay. So we will conclude it here today. Okay. So here from tomorrow we'll see we have different types of document. That is, we have whole document, part document,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and also some other small topics in the GL accounts. We'll try to cover it tomorrow on day.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks. Thanks, Shiv.
Thank you.
Good evening and good night.
Thanks, Intiman.
The organizer has ended the session, and this call will be disconnected. Goodbye.